Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can add a video on our website using Elementor. There are 4 ways we can add a video on our website using Elementor. The first is we can add a YouTube video, we can add a Vimeo video, we can add a Dailymotion video, or we can add a self-hosted video, which means that we can upload a video from our computer to our media library and then add it on our website. So let's see how we can do this. Go to your dashboard. Go to pages. Now choose a page you want to add the video on. I'll add it on home page. Click edit with Elementor. Okay, now we are in Elementor editor. On the right side you'll see your website opened in editor, and on the left side you'll see Elementor editor panel. Now locate the place where you want to add your video. Let's say I want to add it here. Hover over this section and you'll see this little plus icon. This icon is for adding a new section. Click it, and now you'll see that we have a space between these two sections to add a new section here. We'll see what both these icons do later. For now, look at your widgets panel and you'll see a video widget here, or you can search it as well. Drag this widget to the area where you want it to be added. Now this section is reserved for video, and you'll notice that the left editor panel is now changed. Now this panel changes for the section you've selected in your editor. For example, if I select this section here, you'll see that the panel is changed. So every section has its own properties based on what type of section that is. This concept will be more clear in some upcoming videos. For now, let's come back to our video widget. First of all, we have to select what is our source. As I already mentioned, we have 4 ways to add the video using Elementor. We have YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and then self-hosted video. First of all, let's add a YouTube video. Select YouTube, and this is the place where you'll add the link for YouTube video. Let me open the YouTube and I'll copy the link for video and paste it here. Let's say I select this video. I'll copy its link, come back to the Elementor editor and paste the link here. And now when you will update the changes by clicking this update button, your video will show here. So this is how you can add a YouTube video. Now let's try a Vimeo video. When you click on Vimeo, there's already a sample link added and you'll see the video here. Let's play it. It plays and you have all the controls over here. Now I'll change it to Dailymotion, and you'll see that there is already a placeholder link for Dailymotion. Play this video, and it also plays and has all the Dailymotion controls. Now let's explore more video options. You can specify a start time, and then the video will not start from the beginning, and it will start from the time you have specified here. Let's give it 5 seconds, and now whenever we play the video, it will start from the 5th second of the video here. You can toggle the autoplay option, and then the video will play as soon as the page loads without clicking this play button. As you can see, it does. Let's update the change once and let's see our website. Click on this preview changes icon, scroll down, and you'll see our video plays automatically. Let's go back to the editor. I'll toggle the autoplay option to off again. You can toggle this setting if you want to start your video muted. You can also hide the player controls of the video. Toggle this setting, and now you see that the player controls are hidden. You cannot change the volume, you cannot make it full screen, and the other controls. I'll turn it back on, and now we can see the play button, the audio option, the full screen option, and the time, etc. You can change the controls color from here. Go to image overlay and toggle this setting, and now you can add an image that will act as your thumbnail. Select an image from the media library. Let's say this image, and now this image will act as a thumbnail for your video, and this image will be shown before we click this play icon. You can choose if the play icon is to be displayed or not, and you can also enable a light box. So these are some controls for Dailymotion video. Let's go back, and now we can add a self-hosted video as well. Click on self-hosted, and this is where you choose the file. Click this video. You'll see all the videos listed that are in your media library here. If the video you want to use is not in your media library, click on upload files and select files from here. For now, I'll select this video and click on insert media, and this video will be inserted. I'll remove the overlay image by clicking this delete icon, and now we have the preview of the starting point of the video. As I mentioned earlier, we can choose the start and end time. I'll make the default time to 0 seconds. What is additional in our self-hosted video is a download button. We can add a download button by which users can download this video. Click on this info icon and you'll see a download button now. Disable it, and now that button is gone. So this is how we can add video in our website. Now I have not worked on the layout. This doesn't blend in our theme, which is dark. You'll have to make a design that blends in with your site. Go to the style tab, and there you can choose the aspect ratio for video, and you can choose the colors for play icon and its size, etc. Okay, let me add another section which will be a copy of this section. I'll copy it and paste it here, and now I'll drag this video to be placed inside this section, and I'll delete this section here and this one as well. You can give a heading here. You can give it any title, and now you have a video that blends in with your site. Update the changes, preview the site, and now you'll see that we have a video that really blends in our website. We can always make it smaller and change the layouts, which we'll see in some upcoming videos. So this is how you can add a video in your WordPress website. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications for any new video uploaded. Thank you, and see you in the next video.